Hello folks, as you'll remember, we received a brand new debug experience in Salesforce flows in the last release, but the screen flow functionality didn't really make it to the last release. Now we received that in winter 26. Let's take this functionality for a quick spin around the block. I'm going to debug a screen flow here. You'll see our panel has moved to the left side and my input is defined as a record, so I need to plug in a record name here for the opportunity. Winter 26 is here opportunity. I can make this panel as wide as I want, and I'm going to run it. And I'll see quickly there are two different tabs here, the setup side and the details side on the debug pane, and here on the right side, the screen side and the flow canvas side. I'm going to quickly make my selection. I'm selecting opportunity products for the opportunity, and then I'm going to add those records to the opportunity. Now you'll see that the debug run has concluded, and I can expand all details here. I can set up the detail level for my debug log. I can copy and paste the whole debug log into my notepad, and I'll see also, because I created multiple records, the details and the field values for the records will be shown here in a JSON format. And if I want to go to one particular element here, I can actually view it on canvas, and it's going to highlight that element for me on the flow canvas. Enjoy, folks.